When we say fabric laser cutting machine, we are not simply talking about a laser cutting machine that can cut fabric. We mean the laser cutter that comes with conveyor belt, auto feeder, and all other necessary components help you cut fabric from roll automatically. Compared with investing a regular table-size CO2 laser engraver that's mainly used for cutting solid material like acrylic and wood, you need to choose textile laser cutter more wisely. In this video, we are going to talk about 4 factors that you need to consider before investing a laser machine.
Working area is the first thing you need to consider. It's about your fabric width and pattern size. After these are determined, you can choose laser machine with suitable working formats. I list some standard options in the table. If you are making clothing line like uniform clothes, 1600 by 1000 mm, 1800 by 1000 mm are the suitable size. If you are making apparel accessory like lace and woven label, 1000 mm by 600 mm should be a great choice. For industrial manufacturers that want to cut Cordura, nylon, Kevlar, you should really consider about large format fabric laser cutter, like 1600 by 3000 mm and 1800 by 3000 mm. Besides, we have our own casing factory and engineers, so we also provide customization machine size. No problem for your special fabric design. Once you have determined the size of the machine in terms of material width and the design pattern size, you need to start thinking about laser power options. For majority of fabric like cotton, felt, linen, canvas, and polyester fabric, 100 watts is strong enough. But if you want to cut laser, we will suggest you choose from 100 watt to 150 watt. Part of artificial laser will be made much thicker in order to increase the wear-resistant characteristics. If you are cutting technical textiles like Cordura, Kevlar, nylon, 150 watt to 300 watt are recommended. There are some insulation materials like fiberglass fabric. Sometimes you need to use much higher laser power from 300 watt to 600 watt.
Remember, the structure of many fabrics are different. Here is a special material in my hand, spacer fabric. Can you take a wild guess? Is suitable for laser cutting? How much laser power should you use? Leave all your thoughts about the spacer fabric in the comments. We will discuss more. In the previous video, we show you some clips of cutting fabric with multiple laser nozzles. There are 2 ways to boost your production. The simplest way is to enhance laser power for increasing cutting speed, but it only suits cutting solid material like wood and acrylic, insulation fabrics like fiberglass and rock wool.
Sometimes when you cut regular fabrics, the higher power may not be able to increase the cutting speed very much. On the contrary, it may cause the fabric fibers to burn and give you a rough edge. Another way is to equip the multiple laser heads if you want to balance the cutting speed and cutting quality. 2 heads, 4 heads, or even 8 heads to laser cut fabric at the same time. In the next video, we will talk more about how to improve production efficiency and explain more on multiple laser heads. Subscribe to our channel for not missing the updated videos.
We have talked about 3 elements to consider when choosing a fabric cutting machine. Many of you have special production requirements, so we are going to introduce you some options to simplify your production.
Products like sublimation sportswear, printed teardrop flags, embroidery patches, all your products have patterns on it and need to recognize the contours. We have vision systems to replace the human eyes. If you want to mark workpieces to simplify subsequent laser cutting production, such as marking sewing line and serial number, then you can add mark pen or inkjet printer head on the laser machine. Most noteworthy is that the inkjet printer uses varnish ink, which can disappear after you heat up your material, will not affect any aesthetic of your products.
Just in case you need to produce hundreds of patterns today, we have the nesting software come to help. It will automatically arrange graphics and generate cutting files. If you used to cut fabric manually and have many template sheets, you can use our prototype system. It will take pictures of your template and save it digitally that you can use on the laser machine software directly.
If you want to laser cut plastic-based fabric and worry about toxic fumes, then our industrial film extractor can help you solve the problem.
To get more details of our fabric laser cutting machine, check out our website. We have many types of laser machine listed. Leave your comments below. We would love to know whether the video is helpful for you and listen to your opinions. Thanks for watching. See you next video. Bye bye.